Hello my students, how are you? Today we will solve our quiz number 11 and 12 from المعاصر book, from notebook about quizzes from 1Gepra. Okay, look at with me about quiz 11. Choose the correct answer from those given. The middle term in the expression 2x minus 5y in brackets all power 2 is. We know this expression we can simplify it by write 2x power 2 equal 4x power 2 and negative 5y all power 2. It will be positive 25y power 2, and in the median here, the middle term, write the sign negative, and 2 times 2 times 5, 2 times 2x equal 4x. 4x times 5y equal 20xy, right? 20xy here. Okay, the result will be 4x power 2 subtract by 20xy plus 25y power 2. Then the middle term, he asked about middle term, about this expression, it will be negative 20xy. We must choose letter D. Letter B. Rectangle, its length 4x and its width 3x. Then its area, we know area about rectangle length times width. The length here 4x multiply 3x equal 4 times 3, 12x power 2. Yeah, 4x multiplied by 3x, it will be 12x power 2 or 12 square x. Okay, 12x power 2, because you asked about what's the area. We know the area equal length times width. Length times width about rectangle. Look at letter here, it shows letter C. Okay, question number 3. 4x minus 3x multiply x minus 4. We have here two expression. We can use 4x times x equal 4x squared. Look at with me about steps here. Next paper. 4x minus 3 multiplied by x minus 4. We can find the result about first multiply by first. 4x times x equal 4x power 2. Negative 3 times negative 4 equal positive 12, and the middle term here we can find extremes and means, and then find product about them, the product about extremes and product of means, and then find the result. 4x times negative 4 equal negative 16x, and negative 3 multiply x equal negative 3x. We can write 4x power 2 and negative 13x minus 3x equal negative 19x plus 12. Okay, this is the result about this example. We must choose letter what? Letter D here. 4x power 2 minus 19x plus 12. We must choose letter D. Okay, you know the steps. It's very important to know steps about this example. Again, 4x times x equal 4x power 2. Negative 3 times negative 4 equal positive 12. In the middle term here, we must find the result about extremes and means. We called 4x multiply negative 4 extremes. There are extremes, and negative 3x, it means sum of them, negative 16x minus 3x equal negative 19x. Okay, question number what? Next question here. Number 2. Simplify to the simplest form. About this example, we have 2a minus 3 multiplied by 2a plus 3 plus 7, and then find numerical value with the result at a equal negative 1. Okay, first we can find the result about this example. It's very easy about you, because we have two terms here. First equal first and second equal second. We have conjunct. Okay, So we can find the result about first time first for a power 2, 2a times 2a equal 4a power 2, subtract by 3 times 3 equal 9 and sign negative here, plus 7, the result will be 4a power 2 minus 2, the result will be 4a power 2 minus 2. And then we can find the numerical value at a equal negative 1 here, then the value equal what? Put negative 1 here, cancel a, then you can write 4 multiplied by negative 1 power a minus 2. We know negative 1 power 2 equal 1. 1 times 4 equal 4. So we must write 4 minus 2 equal 2. Then the result will be 2 about this example. Then the numerical value will be 2. Again, 2a times 2a equal 4a power 2. Negative 3 times 3 equal negative 9. And plus 7 here. Negative 9 plus 7 equal negative 2. Then you must write 4a power 2 here minus 2. Don't subtract them because we have different similar, not similar term here. They're different. We can find the result about it. It's the end value about expression. The result here 4a power 2 minus 2, and then we can find the numerical value, but a equal negative 1, so we must write negative 1 here, cancel a and write negative 1 here because a equal negative 1. Then 4 multiply negative 1 power 2 minus 2 equal 4 times 1 because negative 1 power 2 equal 1. 1 times 4 equal 4. 4 minus 2 equal 2. The result will be 2 about this expression. Okay. Letter B. Use the distributive or distribution properties to find the value about this expression. 6x, it's very important, this example. In any quiz, we can find this example. And the end of the term, he must put this question in your quiz, okay? Look at here, 6. So we must pay attention about this example because a lot of students can't find the result easily about it. No. Don't use a calculator about this example. You must think about steps about this example and find the highest common factor between 3 expression or 4 term as the example was. Okay, 6 times 5. Look at with me. 6 times 5 over 7 plus 2 times 5 over 7 subtract 5 over 7. Look at about this expression. We have 5 over 7, 5 over 7, 5 over 7. It was repeated 3 times. About 3 term here, we can write 5 over 7 outside. And in the brackets, we can write 6 plus 2 minus 1. Don't forget 1 here because 5 over 7 divided by 5 over 7 equal 1. We can use what? DIS, B properties. Okay, DIS, it's numerical about distributive properties. Screnium, okay? Distributive properties, numerical about distributive properties. Screnium, okay? Screnium about distributive properties. Okay, never mind. You can just write this word here. DIS refers to what? Distributive, and BRO refers to properties. Distributive properties. And then we can write 5 over 7 multiplied by what? 6 plus 2 minus 1. 6 plus 2 equal 8. 8 minus 1 equals 7. Then the result will be 5. Why? Because 7 divided 7 equal 1. 1 times 5 equal 5. Then the result will be 5 about this expression. Okay, the value of this expression will be what? 5.